Hey guys, so I finally made it over to Dollar Tree to check out the new B.Color Cherry Scented makeup collection. And I bought the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use that with you today. And if you're new to my channel, then all the products that I already have on my face will be listed in the description box as always. So my Dollar Tree's base price is still $1.25, but I've heard that a lot of you have been unfortunately forced into the $1.50 price point. And I was told by a Dollar Tree employee that it was coming to all the Dollar Trees and they were just going to slowly phase it in. But yeah, my Dollar Tree, it's still $1.25 base price for everything, although I was pretty shocked when I walked in there yesterday because the first thing I saw was a display of fans that were $20. So yeah, they have $20 items now at Dollar Tree because it's been unseasonably warm here. I mean, we're still in spring, but we're getting weather that's reminiscent of summer right now. But I did not buy the whole collection of this. I thought about it, but I'm trying to stop buying every single product from every single line that comes out because otherwise it's too much. My collection has become huge and I can't use all this makeup up, but I still want to show you the coolest stuff that comes out. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says B.Color way at the top here. And it's cute, it's got cherries on it, but unfortunately when you throw this packaging away, the eyeshadow palette itself has nothing on it. So what I usually do is put a sticker on the back so that I know exactly what the name is if I have to reference it in the future. This packaging is really cute. It's got like a clear plastic top so that you can see the colors, which is a good idea for display purposes. And how beautiful is that? I love that it's muted and it's not like deep red cherry. I think this is a very wearable color combination. I think the folks over at B.Color are doing a great job with their color selections. Now, you may remember last year they came out with a strawberry scented blush highlighter combo. And because I already had this, that's why I decided to skip out on the cherry one because it was so similar to this that I thought, you know what, I can just use this one instead, which I did. I just used the highlighter in that. And the lip gloss was like it was like it was a pink with a hint of cherry color to it. It was like a muted warm pink, I guess you would say, and I was tempted to get that, but like I said, I'm trying not to buy every single one of every single collection that comes out. And to me, this does smell like cherry. I actually watched another person's video here on YouTube and she said she couldn't smell anything, but it smells like cherry to me, and it's a very pleasant scent. It isn't overpowering, so I do smell that. All right, so let's get started then. The first thing I'm going to do is go into this shade right here, and it is a matte peach color. So I'm just going to take this Moda brush, and I like using small dense brushes in the crease, and I'm sure you've noticed that. I just feel like it works a lot better than a fluffy brush. I see a lot of people use fluffy brushes in the crease, but I don't know. This is what works for me, my preference. And I really love all the, just knocked over a bunch of stuff. I really love all the Moda brushes that I've gotten. Yeah, these muted colors are so much easier to work with and go with so many things. Like if you're trying to decide what to wear, you know, I did wear like this new shirt that I got from Kohls from the brand So. And what's funny is on the tag it said lavender. Does this look like lavender to you? To me, it looks more like a peach. but when I saw it, I said, wow, this is gonna go so easy with any kind of makeup look that I want to do. That's why I bought it. See, so very nice, subtle. Matte peach shadow. Yeah, they release a lot of these fruit collections, and so far they've done strawberry, peach, and cherry. So it should be interesting to see what they come up with next. I would love to see a grape because I really like purple. I'd love to see an avocado one. Yes, avocado is a fruit. I know it kind of tastes more like a vegetable, but it is a fruit. So that's my request, B.Color. I want to see an avocado collection and a grape collection. Okay, so now let us move on to this shade right here. And I'm going to put that on my lids. And this is an AOA Studio E131 brush from shopmissa.com. It's just a small shader brush. And this is like a pink champagne color, I would say. That's really pretty. Very reflective. Really nice. Now, if we could just get Ione to start doing eyeshadows, that would be great. But in the meantime, I'm really happy with the LA Colors eyeshadows that they sell at Dollar Tree, and I'm really loving these B.Color collections. Okay, and now I'm going to take a clean motor brush, and we're going to go into this shade right here, which is it's like a gold, a light gold, and I'm going to brush that on my brow bone. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the matte brown shade with a detail brush, and I'm going to run some of that along my lower lash line. And I'm going to need another brush. So I just grabbed a pointed crease brush from Moda, and I'm going to dip right back into that brown shade. And we're going to put that in the outer part of this look. And we're going right over those other colors that I already used. This is going to be a very soft, wearable look, and I am here for it. Really attracted to these kind of looks lately. Okay. All right, now what I want to do next is I grabbed a brown eyeliner. This is Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in the shade Penny Lane, so it's like a coppery brown. And I got this at either Marshall's or TJ Maxx a while back. And what I want to do is I just want to take a little bit of this and just do a little bit of a line. See, I just wanted to do a little bit of a line. I never had an eyeliner like this where it sharpens it by screwing it into the cap. There we go. I was having a hard time drawing over the eyeliner. I mean the eyeshadow. So there we go. Maybe I'll just put a little bit more here too. So I'm just doing a little bit of a line there. Okay, so now we're going to need to curl my lashes. Take your time doing this, you guys, because it really makes a difference. If you don't take your time curling your lashes, then why even do it at all? It's not going to do anything, you know? Okay, so I just went into my backup drawer and I have a backup of the CoverGirl Cleantopia mascara in Ultramarine Black, which is like a black and blue or a bluish black. I love this mascara, so this is my second one that I've had. And to me, navy blue is a neutral, and I feel like you can pair this with so many things and have it look good. Yeah, I really like this mascara, and I wasn't sure when it first came out if it was going to be limited edition or not, but I'm still seeing it in stores, so I guess it's not, thank goodness, because I really like it. Have you ever had an eyelash get in your eye, but you can't see it? It's like it goes behind your eye or something, or it gets in your sinuses, or you just can't find it. You know it's there and you can feel it, but you can't see it. Well, that happened to me, and I think it did go into my sinuses because all of a sudden, not last night, but the night before, my sinuses were so congested because of all the pollen and stuff. But then I started sneezing like crazy. and I still kept feeling like I had something in my eye. So I think it was trying to work its way out. But right before I started filming today, I was looking in the makeup mirror in the magnified section of it, and there it was. The eyelash had been trapped in my eyes for days, and it was driving me crazy because every time I looked in the mirror, I couldn't see it, but I could feel it. And I was like, what the heck is in my eye? I didn't know if I had like a piece of pollen or something, because it's technically still spring, so I haven't started using my air conditioner yet. I'm trying to like tough it out with these warm temperatures because it really makes a difference on the electric bill. I live in Massachusetts and we have the highest electricity rates in the whole country. So when we use our air conditioner, we have central air. And when we use that in the summer, like when it gets really hot, like 90s, our electric bill is like between $300 and $400. It's crazy. So I don't want to turn on the air conditioner just yet because I've got a bunch of medical bills I'm expecting. And I need new glasses so bad. When I'm not filming YouTube videos, I wear glasses. And so I made an appointment to get my eyes examined. But then when I had that kidney stone episode, I had to cancel the appointment when I was going through all that. So I just rescheduled it again yesterday. So I'm going to be getting my eyes examined and getting new glasses. I haven't gotten new glasses in so many years, and it's important, you know. So glasses, because of the type of prescription I have, I guess the lenses are crazy expensive no matter where you go. It's like $300-400 for a pair of glasses. So I was putting it off because I didn't want to spend that much money. But yeah, you can only put it off for so long. So anyways, there is the finished look. And for $1.25, I think this is a gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I mean, look at those colors. They're so pretty. And I've seen this on all different skin tones, and it's gorgeous no matter who you are or what your color story is, you know, for your skin. It's gorgeous on everybody. It's just one of those color stories that works for everyone. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and if you like these kind of videos, you know what to do. It helps my channel when you do. Bye, guys.